Hey Snow Tracks viewers, Luke here again, sitting in the Fox booth with none other than Dave McClure, and he is going to tell us about his new Arctic Cat / Fox sponsored rig for this season. So Dave, tell me about this new ride. This thing looks pretty sick.
Yeah, thanks man. It started as a 2020 Hardcore Alpha, and then Speedwerx modified it and built it up. It's got a Speedwerx supercharger. We've been running them for, boy, I don't know how many years, 13, I think 2013 we started running these superchargers. We've got them dialed. They run flawless now. The mapping is just unbelievable. Then Fox put their new QS3 coilover Kashima coated shock on it. Last year Fox didn't have any aftermarket shocks for the Arctic Cats, and this year we do have some aftermarket shocks available. And then it's got, this is a full mod, man. It's got a lightweight mountain foot hood, SLP Powder Pro skis, Speedwerx vent kit, TKI belt drive, TKI brake reservoir protector, TKI brake lever, of course getting going, and also TKI billet rear idler wheels. Now getting a sled built right before heydays, I mean everyone else has their last year's sleds here. This is brand new. It has 0 miles, so we ran out of time. We didn't get everything put on it. I'm waiting on some Arctic Cat running boards and rear bumper. We just ran out of time. We didn't get those put on. Yeah, and then Octane came up with a sweet signature series wrap for me again this year.
I love the flat color on the wrap. That looks so sick.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, it was funny. I've been seeing a lot of brown at the show. It was like we were all on the same wavelength. There's, you know, it's kind of just different. I don't know, just something unique.
Looks good with the Kashima coated shocks too.
Yeah.
Kind of all blends in with the brown theme.
Yeah.
Brown and red.
So
right on. So, what kind of horsepower are you kind of expecting in a sled like this?
You know, this is pump gas, and yeah, I should know, but it's I think it's like
ballpark
210, 220.
Really?
All I know is it's plenty, plenty of power. When I put them on, put people on it, and they grab a handful, and they're like, man, you know. And then Speedwerx says, people are like, oh, I want more power than that. I want more boost, and they're like, hey. Take this and ride it and see what it. Then call me and tell me you want more. And they never call. They never meet.
So what you're telling me is that there are people out there who think they need more power than you, and then that's going to improve their riding more.
You know, I go riding with a lot of people, and stock 800 Arctic Cat is it's a lot of sled for a lot of people. You know, I would tell people, when you can ride that stock sled to its full potential, that's when you need to start modifying.
And not before.
Right.
So how does the Arctic Cat motor live in a vehicle like this with all that power? That Arctic Cat motor is pretty durable.
Yeah, and that's part of the reason why I work with Speedwerx. Speedwerx works directly with Arctic Cat, and honestly, this sled, I kid you not, the fuel mapping is as good as stock, if not better. And it's because Speedwerx working hand in hand with Arctic Cat. No other OEM or aftermarket company has that ability to work so closely with the OEM. So yeah, the motor's strong. That's what Arctic Cat's, you know, kind of we've been proud of for the last forever, really, is how durable our sleds are, how durable our motors are. These things are tough, and that's why, you know, we're not having to put a bunch of braces on it and stiffen it up and make it stronger. We're right at that fine line of, you know, we're still lightweight, but we're still durable, and you know, I hate working on sleds, so I want the thing to be, you know, ready for me every single day, and I don't have to, you know, fix all the broken parts.
These sleds can survive Rob and Dave. These sleds can survive almost anything.
Every so often there's a miscue, you know, we bend an A-arm or something, but they're pretty tough.
Right on. And is Rob's sled pretty similar to yours? Do you guys kind of run the same setup, or are you different? I mean, you're very different, but are you different in terms of sled setup?
Right, yeah. You know, he was chirping me all summer long. He's like, man, you ready to get smoked down again? I'm like, you know, the sled build, it's always a competition. We're no different from everyone else, you know, competing with our buddies. And I was like, dude, if you beat me this year, that'll be the first year your sled's cooler than mine. So, and then the proof was in the pudding this year. A guy comes up to us, he's like, Dave, I saw your sled, that thing is sick. And Rob's like, dude, did you see mine? He's like, yeah, I saw it. You know, So it's fun. We always have this like unsaid competition on whose sled's gonna be cooler. I saw Rob's like his wrap and stuff, and I was like, it's gonna look really cool. And then I saw it, I was like, then I saw mine, I was like, I got him this year.
He's not gonna get a chance to respond to this, so you pretty much win just automatically. Yeah.
But then the people are telling me it's the same, So I'm just saying what the people say.
Right on.
So.
Well, thanks for that, man. Appreciate the overview, and can't wait to see you guys out on the snow this winter. It's going to be awesome, and these sleds look like they're going to be, as awesome as you guys are at riding them. They're going to perform just as well. So, pretty excited.
I think we put you on a supercharger one time.
What does Rob call it? Boost roost?
Yeah.
He wasn't lying, man. That was a pretty eye-opening experience. But definitely get out on something like this. I'd love to ride with you guys again, and our viewers obviously love it every time we get such great feedback. They love you guys, so whatever we can do, let's get her done. But for 2019 at Heydays, thanks, Dave, for showing us your new ride. Can't wait to see you on the snow.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe to Snowtrax TV's YouTube channel that's constantly being updated with fresh content.